Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be cooking green split pea soup. So if you're interested, stay tuned. I will be using some carrots, some celery, some chocho, some nice yellow yam, and guess what? I have some pretty scallion from my garden. I just got it. You guys let me know if you have garden and what you plant. And I have here, I have Irish potato, and of course I have my Scotch Bonnet pepper, which is a must. You can't do without it. And as I go along, I will let you know what else I put in my soup. Alright, so let's get started. Yes, I'm gonna put in my split peas now in my hot water. I'm gonna make that stir and boil for maybe about an hour, and then I add the rest of my ingredients. Yes, the spot is boiling up now, so I'm adding my garlic so that I can cook with the peas. Pay me back when you shake it like that, girl. You'll notice that the water boil out. You see how the water boil down? So now what you do is add more water. People always ask me, oh my God, you start a thing with 5 cups of water, 7 cups of water, and the peas still not cooked. People, you got to add more water. As soon as you see the peas get soft, then you can check. But once you see the peas hard, keep adding water. Keep adding water till your peas is to the way you want it soft. Alright guys? Alright. I'm going to add my stuff now. I'm going to put water in and I'm going to add the ingredients. And you know, you can put the the amount of water you want. You want it thick or you want it thin? Okay, I'm putting in some coconut milk powder now. I'm going to stir it. And celery. Put in chocho. Alright, so I'm going to wait a few more minutes. When that boil up, then I'm going to add the other stuff like the yam and the Irish potato. Because if I put Irish potato right now, it's going to boil out. And it's going to get so soft and mushy. So I'm going to wait a little. Now if this gets thick, you add some more water to it. Remember, if the water boils down and you don't have enough, add more water. This looks good already and it smells so good. Pay me back when you shake it again. Man, look at this, man. This soup is all done. Looks so good, and just like how it looks, trust me, that's how it tastes. All I have to do, I just add a little salt and pepper, a little all-purpose seasoning, and I'm done. Owe me back like you owe your rent. Owe me back like it's money I lent. Pay me back when you shake it again. You can turn on your notification bell, and that way whenever I put up a new video, you will be the first to know, okay? Thank you guys. Subscribe. All right.